Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In case you're joining us for the first time, my name is Architect Ricky Doshi and I'm an architect and interior designer based out of Mumbai. In the last two videos, I spoke about the pre-site conditions where we lay the plumbing pipes and the electrical conduits before laying the actual flooring. The following videos henceforth are designed to understand the execution process in a systematic way to achieve maximum efficiency of the interior construction of your home. In this video, I'll be talking about the things that need to be done before laying the actual flooring of your house. Once we are done laying the plumbing pipes and electrical conduits, it's time to construct the partition walls before laying the actual flooring. The partition walls can be made of bricks or of lightweight ACC concrete blocks. If you're proposing a drywall partition system using either cement sheets or gypsum boards, this step can be skipped as they are laid once the flooring is done. You can either go for a brick wall or lightweight ACC block walls for your partition walls. Both of them are durable and fire resistant. Although the advantage of using an ACC block wall is that they are considerably lighter in weight than the brick wall and consume lesser space, which means the thickness is lesser than the brick walls, thereby giving you more usable space to work with. But again, it is purely a matter of choice. Here are a few reference images of how these walls are constructed on the site. This is how a brick wall is constructed on the site, and this is how an ACC block wall is constructed on the site. Please note that you need to give some sort of a steel reinforcement on these walls at around 4 to 5 feet so that the wall does not collapse under its own weight when you're going up to a substantial height. Once the walls are constructed, we need to plaster these walls using materials such as sand and cement in a combination in the ratio of 1:4. The plastering process provides a level base to the wall and also gives it an extra strength. Once the partition walls are up, we need to give it a solid filling to raise the floor. The usual method is plain cement concrete, or as we call PCC, or these days we also use screed, which is a combination of cement and sand, to raise the floor up to 3 inches to cover the electrical conduits which are lying on the floor. This helps us achieve a uniform floor level for the flooring. In the bathrooms, where usually a sunk of around 6 to 9 inches is already provided, we need to do the waterproofing of that floor before laying any of the pipes. Once the pipes are laid, we can then cover it or fill it using brickbat cobar or an ACC block cobar to achieve the desired slope for the bathroom. These also act as an additional waterproofing agent for the bathroom floor. So once the cobar is done, we need to level the floor using PCC or screed to achieve a uniform floor level along with the desired slope. Once a uniform floor level is achieved, we can start with the flooring process. The flooring is basically what you have selected during the selection stages. It can either be a 10 mm floor tile or marble flooring. The method of laying the floor is different for both these cases. In the case of laying of floor tiles, a slurry of grey cement or tile adhesive, both in liquid form, is poured on the floor on which the tiles are installed. The tiles are allowed to rest for a couple of hours so that the base adhesive sets the tile. It is advisable to leave at least 4 mm gap between the tiles for grouting, as tiles expand and contract in different conditions. This is purely a technical method of laying of tiles. In case of laying of marble flooring, a white cement slurry or an adhesive that is specifically meant for marble flooring is to be used. In general practice, before adhesives became popular, white cement slurry was used for laying of marble. The reason of using white cement over grey cement is due to the translucent property of some marbles, where it was observed that when the grey cement slurry was used, it used to show patches of grey in some light colored marbles. The use of adhesive has become very common of lately, as they offer better strength, they cover the surface area more uniformly than any cement slurry, and they do not leave any patches onto the subsurface, thereby making the construction process smoother and to near perfection. Once the flooring is set, we usually cover it using a PVC floor covering sheet for protection of the top layer of the flooring over other work such as carpentry, gypsum work, metal fabrication, etc., which will be done once the flooring is laid. I hope this video helped you understand the site preparation from the construction of walls to the laying of floor. If you have any queries, please feel free to drop them on the comment box below. If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button and do share this video with your friends, families and acquaintances. It helps me to reach out to a larger audience. Also, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I post a new video on YouTube. Thank you all once again for supporting this channel, and stay tuned for the next video.